So let's talk about this weekend's
Activity.
yeah, the arrests, and would you consider it fair, mild, busy?
The DUI side.
The DUI side of it was a little bit high for a weekend, for a long weekend. We arrested, I think it was 13 DUIs. There were 6 of those. There were 6 aggravated, which means they're either multiple DUIs or they're over double the legal limit. So they're high offenders, I guess you could call it. We also had a total of 62 arrests for the weekend, which is high. But we did have extra officers out, as did the Highway Patrol, just to stop this type of behavior from happening.
On a typical weekend, what would you normally see?
It all depends. Usually between 3 and 5 DUIs on a typical weekend, and that's just a Friday through a Sunday. But this was a little bit higher than our normal weekend, or higher than our normal Memorial weekend also.
What stands out to you about this? I mean, what is it just as an... I know Butte pushes for, late in the past few years, been pushing for, being responsible and getting a designated driver. It's not acceptable.
Well, Memorial weekend is usually a tough weekend anyhow, because it's it's the first weekend of summer. People are out partying more. They're in the hills. They're coming back from camping. They're just outside more. So we expect more DUIs over that weekend than some other weekends, probably because of that situation. But I don't know. We did put the warnings out there. We did inform people that we would be patrolling heavier. I'm not sure why we were able to get more DUIs this weekend, except for that we had more officers out looking for them also.
Is it discouraging when you see this amount?
Well, it is to a point. Yeah, it is discouraging. Again, in a perfect world, we'd have 0 DUIs. People would not be driving drunk. But it's also encouraging that my officers are out there doing their job.
Getting it done. And you mentioned what the significant, there were some higher level DUIs. Is that?
Like I said, we have at least 6 aggravated DUIs, which is either multiple DUIs or at least double the legal limit.
And that's just any reason why you think that is the case? Why you had that?
I don't know why. We got more aggravated DUIs this weekend. We've seen an increase in aggravated DUIs over the past year on our yearly stats, but for this weekend, having that amount of aggravated DUIs is high.
Your overall assessment of law enforcement?
Well, hopefully we stopped any of these DUIs from hurting somebody else. We didn't get a report of a lot of accidents involving DUIs or anything else like that. So that was a good thing as a result of this. No one got hurt over the weekend. Seriously, we did respond to a lot of calls. Our officers were quite busy this weekend.